create a step, and the step for a circle is going to be based off of 360. So I'll go here to 360 divided by how many points I want. So this is going to give me the step angle. Now let's keep it here at 10. So it'll be 36 degrees that it'll step by, and the count is going to be 10. Now we're going to take the series component, which are all of these angle rotations, and then rotate the point, which is the one that we moved over to the side. So we'll bring in the point into the geometry input. The angle will change it to degrees, and then use this as the input. So now we can change how many points we have, and that'll give us a higher number of detail. Then what we need to do now is create the vector in which we're going to move out all of these points. So I'll create a line segment between the start point